How's it, guys? As you can see, we're in a little bit of a different location this week. Hannah and I have come to New York City. We rented a room in Chinatown and we're going to check out some of the food. Okay, we are at dinner here in Chinatown in Manhattan, New York City, and we just got some pork buns delivered that are quite reminiscent of manapua. Pork filled, they're warm, steamed. We also got some delicious, we already ate it, I wish I had videoed it, some delicious jellyfish with radish and carrot. Yeah, I can do that. What
Oh my god, look how cute this is. Let's take a picture.
We are videoing. So explain, what is this, Hannah?
These are pork dumplings.
Dim sum, huh?
Dim sum.
Yeah, dim sum.
I don't know what this is on top, but it looks so good.
Looks like some kind of roe.
Kinda does, Tobiko or something.
Yeah. Wow. Right. And these are like, what do you think?